and hello to everyone. I am Sunita, lecturer in English from Government Degree College, Jagityal. So, in the previous class, we discussed the voice table, the tense, present tense, the transformation of sentences, how the active voice change into the passive voice in the present tense. And previous classes, we discussed already the four format of the tenses, how the structure in the active voice will change into the passive voice. So we learn the more examples related to the present tense, how the active voice change into the passive voice according to the tense and according to the structure, how it change into the passive voice. And today class we are going to learn, we are going to discuss the same voices, active voice and passive voice, the transformation of sentences. The tense is the simple past tense. All four kinds of the past tense. Okay, you already know very well. The broadly the tenses are divided three types. They are present tense, past tense, and the future tense. In the previous class, we discussed in the present tense the four tenses: simple present tense, in the present continuation tense, present perfect tense, and the last the present tense, the present perfect continuation tense. So we discussed detailed, seeing with the table also how the active voice change into the passive voice. With the sentence, declarative sentence also belong, negative also belong, and the interrogative also belong. With the examples also, I given more of the examples related to the only the simple present tense, the four tenses. Today class we are going to discuss the topic name is topic active voice and passive voice. The tense, past tense. In the past tense, how the active voice change into the passive voice. That is the transformation of passive voice and active voice. Passive voice, active voice and passive voice. The tense is the past tense. Before learning the transformation sentences, that is active voice into passive voice, we could see the table, we could learn the table of voice table. Okay, see here the voice table. The tense is the past tense. So first of all, I am voice table. Voice table. First of all, we can learn the tense, active voice, passive voice. This is the table of the active and passive voice. So, see here the tense. First of all, we will learn the four tenses according to the past tense. In the past tense also we have the four kind of the tenses also there. That is the one is the simple past tense, second is the past continuation tense, and third is the past perfect tense, and fourth is the past perfect continuation tense. These are the four tenses related to the past tense. Now we are going to discuss the how the voice table. In the voice table, the tense, how the active voice change into the passive voice. Okay. So first of all, we can learn first tense is the according to the past tense. The first tense is the simple past. So in the simple past, the structure of the verb style, see here. So in the simple past, the structure is the verb style is the V2. That will change into the passive voice, was or were plus V3 form. In all every tense, in the passive voice, the verb form will be only in the V3 form only. So this is the structure of the simple present tense. So in the active voice V2, in the passive voice, in the passive voice, was or were plus V3. See here the first of all we can know the subject I. What we already take the verb structure here. See the verb structure V1, V2, V3, V2, V4. We already take the verb take, took, taken, taking. So this is the four form of the verb forms. So V2. So what is the V2 here? I took. So what is the passive voice? I. So in the singular form of the subject, we can use the helping verb, singular helping verb. I was. What is the V3 here? Taken. Taken. Okay. See here in the simple present tense subject, we take the subject I. V2 is the what is the subject here? Whether it is the singular, plural, whatever it may be. So always we have to take the V2 of the form here. V2 took. In the passive voice, it will change into the V3. I was taken. See the second example. She. Same. She took. Here she was taken. See here the third example. We. So whether it is the singular or plural, we is the plural. Then only we can take the V2 only. We took. What is here? We were. So here is the subject is the plural, so we can take the plural helping word were. We were taken. He took. He was taken. This is the in the simple present tense. Simple past tense. Tense is the simple past. The active voice structure is verb structure is V2 form. The passive voice that will change into the was or were plus V3. So all, the example I took V2, she took, we took, he took. So she was taken, we were taken, he was taken. So we already completed the three form of the examples of the simple present. Now the second one is the according to the past tense. We already completed the simple past tense, and the second one is the past continuation. Past continuation tense. So what is the structure here? The verb structure in the active voice into change into the passive voice. In the past continuation, was or were plus V4, that is the continuation in form. So this structure will change into the passive voice. Was or were plus being plus V3. So the present tense, the past continuation active voice will change into the passive voice. The structure is in the passive voice was or were plus being plus V3. Okay. So now we can see the examples of the past continuation tense. So see here the I. So what the heading was used here? I is the singular. We can use was. What is the before form here? The taking. I was taking. This sentence will change into the passive voice. I was being. The ing form will change into the being. The verb will going to change into the V3 form. What is the V3 here? Taken. What is the V3 form here? Taken. So taken. This is the first examples of the past continuation tense. Active voice. The sentence change into the passive voice. And the second one, she. She is the third person, singular form of the subject. So we also take the helping verb to singular. She was taking. She was same being taken. We is the plural, so we have to take the plural form. We were taking. We were being taken. And next one is the last one example of present past continuation. He was taking. He was being taken. This is the examples of the past continuation tense. I am repeating it. See here. In the past continuation, the structure of the active voice was or were plus before. Nothing but what is the before means single form before taking. So this structure will change into the passive voice. Was or were plus being plus V3. The ing form will change into the being. The verb will change into the V3 form. Okay. I was taking. I was taking. I was being taken. She was taking. She was being taken. We were taking. We were being taken. He was taking. He was being taken. This is the related to the past tense, the past continuation tense. The present active voice will change into the passive voice. Okay. Now the third form, the third tense is the in the present tense. We already completed the simple past. Second is the past continuation. Third is the third. What is the third? Past perfect. Past perfect tense. First of all, we learn the structure, the verb style of the active voice. See here. What is the past perfect structure here? The past perfect structure is here. Had plus V3. Had plus V3. This had plus V3 will change into the passive voice. Had plus been plus V3. Okay. Had plus been plus V3. Okay. Now we can see the examples of the past perfect tense. Okay. I, whatever the subject here, whether it is a singular or plural, we the verb is only, the helping verb is only used here, had. Okay. I had, what is the V3? Taken. I had taken. He had taken. She had taken. They had taken. Whether it is a singular or plural, we have to use only the had helping verb here. Same. You can see the passive. How that active voice will change into the passive voice here. I had been. What is the V3 here? Taken. He had been taken. She had been taken. They had been taken. So, these are the examples of the past perfect tense. The structure is had plus V3. In the passive voice, had plus been plus V3. So, see the example again. I am repeating. I had taken. I had been taken. He had taken. He had been taken. She had taken. She had been taken. They had taken. They had been taken. This is the structure of the past perfect tense with examples. And the last tense is the in the past tense. Last one is that is the past perfect tense. What is it? Past perfect tense. See here, the past perfect tense. The last tense is the past perfect tense. First of all, we can see the verb style, structure of the verb style here. The past perfect, according to the tense, the past perfect the structure is had plus been plus ing form. Had plus been plus V4, that means ing form. So this structure will change into the passive voice. Had plus been plus being plus V3. Structure had plus been plus being plus V3 form. Always the verb structure in the passive voice should be right in the V3 form only. Okay. So see the examples here. I had been taking. What is the V4 here? Always the continuation form should be right in the ing form only. See here the past continuation before ing form. The past perfect tense, past perfect, sorry here, past perfect continuation tense. The ing form we are used here, had been taking, and he had been taking. She had been taking. They had been taking. We had been taking. So this is the past perfect continuous tense. The active voice. How the active voice change into the passive voice. The transformation of the sentences. See here. I had been, being. What is the V3 form here? Taken. Taken. He had been, being taken. She had been, being taken. They had been, being taken. We had been, being taken. So I am repeating the sentences again. See here. So in the last tense, in the past tense, the tense is the past perfect continuation tense. The active voice structure had plus been plus V for ing form. The passive voice structure is had plus been plus V3. So this structure will change into the transfer of the sentences. See here, I had been taking. Change into I had been being taken. He had been taking. He had been being taken. She had been taking. She had been being taken. They had been taking. They had been being taken. We had been taking. We had been being taken. This is the, if we observe, if we understand the clear chart, we can easily do the examples, more example related to the active voice into passive voice. The transformation sentence is very easy if you follow the chart. So after that, we can learn the how the sentence will change. So we already know how many sentences are there. We have the 4 kind of sentences are there: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamative sentence. This is the basically very important sentence in the language, in English language and English grammar also. So now the every sentence can be right in the declarative form and the negative form, that is nothing but interrogative, and the imperative form also, and also again we can able to write the exclamatory form also. So now how the active voice in the declarative form, how the active voice change into the passive voice in the declarative sentence, how the active voice change into the passive voice in the interrogative sentence, in the imperative also how it is changed into the interrogative, imperative, change into active voice into the passive voice. These 3 kind of the sentences, how the change active voice into the passive voice. Yeah? So see here the tense is here declarative form. Okay, see the down there. Declarative active voice. The declarative active voice. So we can see here we are discussing only in the past tense. The past form of the sentences we can take in here. So in the past tense, we already take in the present tense. We already take the same tense. We speak English the same sentence. Here also we can same sentence we can take in the past tense form of the same sentence. We. What is the V2 form here? We speak. What is the V2 form of the speak? Speak, spoke, spoken, speaking. Okay, we spoke English. So first of all, we can before write the active voice, we could learn the easy way of writing the passive voice. Before writing the passive voice, we can know the structure, how the structure will change into active voice into the passive voice. The structure, see the structure. First come the object. Second is the, see the declarative sentences. declarative sentences, object and helping verb. Okay, was or were plus V3 plus by plus subject. This is the structure of writing the passive voice. See here, passive voice. What is the object here? English. English. So what is the helping verb used here? Was. What is the V3 form? Spoken. By. We became us. So how can we write we in the passive voice? Us. So this is the structure of writing the declarative sentence. Same to same. We can observe here the negative form. Negative. Already we learned the declarative form. Declarative is nothing but positive form. And also declarative is also called affirmative sentence. Okay, affirmative is nothing but positive. Declarative is nothing but positive form. So we can't use any not or no here. So it is called declarative. Declare something. It is called declarative. And no, not using no and not. It is called the declarative sentence. We speak English. So in the passive voice, English was spoken by us. Same sentence. How can we write in the negative form of the active voice? See here the active voice. So in the negative form, we already writing the past tense. So we can take here did. We did not spoke English. So structure same. Object plus was or were plus not plus V3 plus by plus subject. This is the structure of the negative form. Object plus was or were plus not plus V3 form, verb V3 form, by and subject. So see here the passive voice, how the active voice will change into the passive voice. What is the object here? English. English. What is the helping verb here? Helping verb is used was, not, spoken by us. This is the negative form of the sentence. Here we are writing the active voice into the passive voice. Here the active voice is the we did not spoke English. So English was not spoken by us. And the last in another sentences is the interrogative sentence. Interrogative. How the active voice will write in the interrogative. Interrogative. How can the active voice in the interrogative sentences? How the active voice will change into the passive voice? See here the interrogative sentences. So first of all, we can write the active voice sentence here. How can we ask the questions? Before, when we use in the helping verb before and after the subject, it is called the interrogative sentence. So were we spoke, we can write here did. If we write the did before the subject comes to the back, that is called the interrogative. Did we spoken English? So we should keep the question mark after completion of the interrogative sentence, because interrogative is nothing but the question, asking questions. So did we speak English? So the structure of the interrogative here, helping verb. Helping verb comes to the before, was or were plus object plus object plus. First of all, we can write the helping verb was or were plus object plus V3 plus by plus subject. See the passive is here. So we are writing the English verb. We have to take the words from here. Was English spoken by us. Should keep the question mark after completion of sentence. This is the interrogative. Active voice change into the passive voice. This is the three type of the kinds of the sentences in the active voice change into the passive voice. This is called the transformation of sentences. In the declarative form, active voice change into the passive voice. In the negative, active voice change into the passive voice. In the interrogative also, active voice change in the passive voice. And we can also learn, and we already learned only the simple tense only, and the present continuous also there, declarative, negative, interrogative, and the past perfect also there, declarative, negative and interrogative, and the present perfect continuation also there, declarative, negative and interrogative. Okay, we can learn the simple way. First of all, just we can learn one example of the already completed the only simple present tense, and next one is the declarative form, declarative and present continuation. This is the simple present, simple past. So now past continuation. Past continuation, declarative, active voice. In the past continuation, declarative sentence. We were speaking English. We were speaking English. This is the continuation form in the related present continuation. This change into the passive voice. First of all, I am giving the only structure. First of all, in the structure, first comes the object plus was or were plus being. What can I write before? Being. Being plus V3 plus by plus subject, by plus subject. See here the passive is here. Object English. English was being spoken by us. This is the past continuation, declarative form, active voice change into the passive voice. Now we can see the negative form of the past continuation tense, negative. I am writing the short form only, active voice. What is the negative active voice here? We were not speaking English. We were not speaking English. So what is the structure here? What is the structure here? So object plus was or were plus not plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. This is the structure of the writing. Negative form, object plus was or were plus not plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. See here the passive voice, how it is changed into the passive voice. English was not being V3 spoken by us. This is the sentence active voice change into the passive voice in the negative form. And then last one is the that is the what is it? Declarative and negative and the interrogative. Interrogative form. What is the active voice here? See here the interrogative is nothing but asking questions. Were we speaking English? Were we speaking English? So we can keep the question mark. And what is the structure here? Or helping verb comes before in the interrogative sentence. Was or were plus object plus was or were plus object plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. This is the structure of the interrogative sentence. How it changed into the passive voice. See here the passive voice was English being spoken by us. This is the present continuation in the three sentences active voice interchange in the passive voice, declarative, negative and the interrogative. And the next one is the past perfect. See here the past perfect. We already completed this one. Next one. Next one we can see here the past conversation completed. Past perfect declarative active voice. So declarative past perfect declarative see the what is the structure of the had plus v3, yeah? had plus v3. What is the we had spoken English, we had spoken English. The structure, what is the structure in the past perfect? Object plus had plus been plus v3 plus by plus subject. Object plus had plus same. Object plus had plus v3 change into had plus been plus v3. Object plus had plus been plus v3 plus by plus subject. This is the structure of the active voice. To change into the passive voice, see here the transformation of the sentence. English had been spoken. What is the v3 from here? Spoken by us. This is the declarative form of the active voice change into the passive voice. Next we can see the another examples of the negative form here. See here the negative sentences. Active voice, negative active voice. Now what is the negative active voice past perfect here? We had not spoken English. We had not spoken English. So structure, see here the observe the structure here. Object plus had plus not plus been plus v3 plus by plus subject. This is the negative form of the structure here. And passive voice, how the negative form of the active voice will change into the positive form. Object English had not been spoken by us. So this is the negative sentence of the past perfect. And next one, third one is the interrogative active voice. So interrogative active voice, had we spoken English? What is it? Had we spoken English? We should keep the question mark after completion of the interrogative. And you can see the structure here. Structure had structure.